Now that you have your management server installed, the database configured, the agents installed, now it's time to start monitoring. In the past, monitoring would involve checking log files, checking services periodically to make sure that they were running, or even just being notified by an end user that an operating system or an application has failed. That type of monitoring is referred to as reactive monitoring, and it's very rudimentary. It means that you have to wait until something breaks, um, you get a call at help desk before you can actually look into what caused that particular issue. Well, with management packs allow you to do proactive monitoring. Basically, with management packs, you can anticipate issues better because of different rules and monitors that are constantly sending information from the agent back to the management server about that particular managed system. So in this section, we're going to take a look at understanding management packs and exploring the different components of management packs. As I mentioned earlier, agent-based monitoring is more efficient monitoring than parsing through event logs, checking services manually, looking at your application logs, querying WMI, looking at registry entries. So with agent-based monitoring, basically the agent is sending information about that managed system back to your management servers. This is made possible by the use of management packs. So in this video, we're going to take a look at your management pack libraries, management pack requirements, and some common management packs that you would probably want to download and install in your environment. By default, a core set of management packs are installed and made available as soon as the software is actually installed. And if you open up the administration workspace, go down in your node to management packs and look at install management packs, you'll see that there are over 100 management packs that are actually installed. These are actually called management pack libraries, which provide the core monitoring for your different systems and applications and services. So this allows an agent to immediately start monitoring based on these core management packs. And also these management packs, which are referred to as management pack libraries, are referenced by other management packs and makes them kind of dependent upon other management packs. These management pack libraries kind of provide the building blocks for other management packs. When you get ready to import management packs, make sure you import only the management packs that are needed to monitor your systems. Do not import management packs for products that you don't have in your environment. That's because whenever you import these particular management packs, there are discovery rules that are running and configured in each one of the management packs that will still try to discover systems and services. So it would just use resources needlessly doing these discoveries if you don't have that particular application or service in your environment. So if you don't have, let's say, SharePoint in your environment, then there's no need to download and import the SharePoint management packs. Also, whenever you import management packs, you should be aware of all the parent management packs that they rely on. I talked about some of the core library. Those management packs are needed by other management packs that you import. Whenever you use the management pack import wizard, that management pack import wizard will actually check to make sure that all dependency management packs are either already imported or will be imported along with the actual dependent management pack that you are actually using. Uh, but if you use PowerShell or command line utility to import management packs, you don't get that dependency check. So there's always a good practice to use the management pack import wizard whenever you're importing management packs because of the fact that it checks for the dependency management packs. If you look at the properties of any of the management pack libraries in the console, there's a dependency tab, and you'll see the management pack that this management pack depends on, and you'll see management packs that depend upon this particular management pack. So on your screen, if you see the Windows Server Operating System Library Management Pack, uh, the Windows Server Network Discovery Management Pack depends upon this management pack, but this management pack depends upon the Health Library, the Instance Group Library, the Windows Core Library. And if I look over to the right, the properties of the Windows Core library, you see it has dependencies also. The system library, the system software library, performance library, health library, and it's one of the dependency libraries of the Windows Server operating system. So one of the more important questions you'll probably ask yourself during the early deployment phase, what management packs do I need? Well, that's pretty simple. What applications or what services do you want to monitor? More than likely, the core management packs that you will install will be the Active Directory Domain Services Management Pack, Domain Name Service DNS Management Pack, the DHCP for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol Management Pack, along with the Server Operating System Management Packs for whichever operating system you have, whether it's Windows 2012, 2012 R2, 2008, 2008 R2, the Windows print server if you actually have a print server in your environment. Now, as far as the product-specific management packs, if you are using or want to monitor a website, you're using IIS, then you would want to import the IIS server, either IIS 7 or 8 management pack, SQL for whatever version of SQL that management pack, SharePoint if you have a SharePoint in your environment, application in your environment. Same thing with Microsoft Exchange. So those are just some, other than some of the product-specific third-party management packs. These are just some of the Microsoft management packs that you would probably want to download and install. You can download management packs at no cost from the Social TechNet Wiki website. Also, you can download them from Pinpoint Microsoft, the Microsoft Download. From the TechNet Wiki site, you can actually see all the different management packs that are available. If you scroll down, you can see the ones for different applications and services, Forefront, Java EE, application performance monitoring Java, some link server, SharePoint, SQL. If you go all the way down to the ones for Windows, you'll see the ones for Active Directory, Certificate Services, LDAP, Branch Cache, DNS. So it just depends, and then you just click on whichever management pack that you wish to install. Let's just say the Active Directory Management Pack. Now this allows you to go ahead and download the MSI and extract it and then import it into Operations Manager console. This is just one of the methods of getting the management packs imported. And then that opens up a separate download. And if you scroll down, you'll have the ability to actually download the management pack. You can open up and see the different details of the particular management pack, all the different languages, and then you'll get prompt for your particular language file, the system requirements for the particular management pack, and the actual install instructions. And there's the management pack guide documentation that you should always read before you import a management pack. As a best practice, you should install one or just a small number of management packs at a time, and then wait a minimum of 24 hours, see what type of alerts you're going to get. And at that time, if you're okay with the monitoring alerts that you're receiving, then you can actually download another or another small number of management packs. This is called installing the management packs in layers. And you really want to do this so that you can kind of fine tune and create overrides and customize the management pack for your environment. But if you download and install 6 or 7 management packs at the same time, then you're going to get a lot of alerts in the console, and it's just going to take a lot longer to go in and fine tune those alerts to see which ones are needed and which ones are not needed. So it's always best, I know it's a little tedious, but still to import the management packs kind of one at a time, let them quote unquote cook for 24, 48 hours, see what type of alerts, go in, create your overrides, which we'll learn about later, and then layer and install the next management pack. So the very first management pack that you would probably install would be the Windows operating system, and then Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, and then it just goes from there. This concludes our video on understanding management packs, looking at management pack libraries, requirements, and some common management packs. Our next video, we're going to explore the different components of the management packs.